Hi guys, it's your boy TJ back here with another banger in today's video. I decided I'm gonna expand the house because why not? I made some weird chocolate bar thingies. Oh yeah, I finally got lodestone because why not? What is that? Eh, I got lodestone since they finally removed the netherite thing, so I managed to I still forgot that giant worm thing. Is that Godzilla? Also, there's another. Is there someone living in my house? I think that's my attic. How did someone get in my attic? Oh yeah, I decided to put like snow everywhere, even though I didn't know it was snow. I thought it was wool. This is my Scorpion and Sub-Zero room. Okay. My stuff has not been stolen. Bro, the designs I put on their banners are sick. Also, they even have their own mobs. For Sub-Zero, I gave him an ally or a lie. I don't know what you call it. It's something like that. And for him, I gave him a blaze. Because why not? Okay. Why is Godzilla here? That thing is fat. Uh, okay, maybe just one more look. Yay. Let's do this. And why are the doors already open? Did I really have to fall? Like, oh, this is that weird level. This is the exit. Huh? Y'all can't fool me. I'm the best. Is this? Bruh. Alright, I'm back. What was that thing I see? That's a horse. Well, hi there, Godzilla. I didn't know you were in the game. I swear, if you stand right here, you can see some weird, like, dude. I'm gonna turn it to daytime. Or sunrise. I was standing right here. It's like a statue thing. Yeah, I'm going back to my house. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The worm is the back rooms. I figured it out. When the worm eats you, you fall into the back rooms. And why do I have a random chest in my house? This was not here earlier. Lodestone compass. I follow compass. Okay. Nah, bro. Is that a cross? Dot. Wait. Dot slash dot slash dot. What does that? Can someone Morse code that, please? Please let me out. I'm sorry. I'll get you out. I didn't get anything. Oh, hail the mighty demon. I summon you by using this random dead child's skull. What is this? You really thought you could spawn water on me? Nah, I'm out. Yeah, I think I'm cooked. Okay. Honestly, I don't like this day. I don't like this day. I'm gonna punch this stupid water. Help! 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 I gotta see. Oh my god, I know. Scaffolding? Question mark? I can't see anything. I can see like 2 pixels and that's it. A horse? Get your goofy out of here. I have a dog. When did I have a dog? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, Janini. Oh my gosh, Janini. And the fact that I have 0 levels is crazy. Keys. Everybody, we got keys. We got keys. If I find like a trial chamber thingy, I can like make something. I got a netherite sword. I actually got a netherite sword. Let's go. I got enchanted golden apples. Yo, I got so much stuff. I can feed you. Yo, sorry I'm eating one of these. What is in here? Oh my god, blood. What? Wait, no, it's just. Is that a potion or not? I don't know. Got those in my inventories. Got a oh heck yeah! Got a diamond and amethyst, resin, copper, iron, netherite. Ooh, I'm gonna make me some armor. Heck yeah! Wait, how do I get out? I mean, I already got some armor. But hey, it's not enough. It's never enough. What? Why can't I craft? Can I make diamond armor? Okay, I can make diamond armor, but I can't make netherite. I'm dripped out. I'm like a stick, making 3 sticks. Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Kumbaba, 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 kumbaba. Kumbaba. Oh god. What's happening? What's happening? What is happening? Why are these glowing? Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Kumbaba. Wait a minute. Just in case I get struck by lightning. Kumbaba. Kumbaba. La. Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Kumbaba, kumbaba, kumbaba. Okay, what I need to happen is a big lightning strike to go. Spooky on these lightning roads. What the heck is purple guy? Question mark. Anyways, peace.